These are the street lights that we have in my area. These are the infamous LED type. They are a 16 diode fixture, and as you can see, the diodes are completely unshielded. It's just a slab of diodes blaring onto the road and into your eyes as you drive. They say LED 30 on them. Hopefully that's 30 watts and not 300 watts, because the light output would be pretty abysmal for 300 watts, and also excessive for just the basic side road that it's on. These are 70 watts that I have here in the house, and I think they distribute as much light, if not more. Anyways, the reason for this video is because these LED street lights that are installed around here are abysmal, and they are extremely unreliable. There is 5 street lights on my street, and of the 5, only 3 work. 2 of them are completely dead to the world, and I think they've been like that since I moved in. There's a form on the United Illuminating website, which is the power company that we have around here, that you're supposed to fill out if you need a street light repaired. It requires a lot of information all the way down to the pole number which the fixture resides on, and a lot of personal information. So I decided to fill it out for one of the fixtures to see if maybe it actually works, because I didn't want to spend the time to fill it out for 10 or 15 fixtures just to find it doesn't get looked at. So I filled it out for one of these fixtures on, I think on Sunday, and within 2 or 3 days the fixture was repaired. It was actually replaced. I don't know if it was 2 days or 3 days, because I think the second day after I put the request in, I didn't go outside at night for whatever reason. I don't know if it was raining or temperature was unpleasant or whatever the reason was. I just wasn't outside at night, so I didn't notice. But the third day I went outside at night, and I noticed that it was extremely humid and the light was repaired. So the light that was repaired is up the road this way. You can see it from the house right there. And I'm pretty sure this light has never worked since I moved in, because I don't ever recall seeing the second light there. I only recall the first light, which is there, and then the second light up over there. Now this fixture is different. I don't know if you'll be able to get a clear enough image of it, but it's a completely different fixture than the ones that are installed over at the rest of the area. I don't know what the wattage is or anything like that. Now let's go take a quick look at it. That previous clip was the new street light. As you hopefully could see, it appears to have one singular diode with maybe some kind of a lens over it. It's hard to tell. I'll have to get some pictures of it during the day maybe. That light I like a lot better than this one. What you're looking at now is the old one again. That new one seems to have a much better throw to it. It's much brighter. I don't know if that's because it's a higher wattage or just because these are getting dim and wearing out. I wouldn't be surprised if that's the case. The light seems to be much cleaner and crisper from the other one. Maybe the color temperature is more white and this one is more blue. Sure would be nice to see all of these replaced with that fixture, but I don't think that's going to happen until they all individually fail. Well, anyways, now that I know they do in fact replace the fixtures and fairly quickly as well, I'm going to go through and fill out the form for the rest of the ones in the local area here, and I'll do an update when they've been replaced.